NLign and Siemens Digital Industries Software have entered an OEM partnership agreement where we will be able to natively connect NLign to Teamcenter. Connecting the digital and physical assets matter so much right now for aerospace and defense customers, as it allows them to truly understand the life cycle of the product across engineering, manufacturing, and sustainment. Siemens and NLign strategic alignment rely on two main components. First one is really a deep expertise in the aerospace and defense industries, and the second one is having complementary solutions to truly provide a comprehensive digital twin. The main challenges we're hearing from aerospace and defense customers are time to market, increasing pace, workforce shortage, and supply chain disruptions. And these partnerships allows us to truly help them solve those challenges. By having a truly native integration, this allows us not just to have data in separate silos, but information is connected that is providing our customers the ability to get decisions done faster. In aerospace and defense, you're talking about life cycles 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. And so it is truly important for our customers to understand the configuration of every single asset and the current conditions as they are looking into potential upgrades to extend the life of those assets. The Siemens and NLign partnership is truly valuable for our customers. As an example, after the announcement of the OEM agreement between Siemens and NLign, some of our joint customers reached out to us, and the feedback they shared with us was that this partnership will allow them to solve problems they've been trying to solve and they were not able to for the past 35 years. As products are getting more and more complex, becoming systems of systems, it is truly important for our customers to have a comprehensive digital twin that allows them to make decisions faster.